This video tutorial I will explain getID and getDSTSavings methods of TimeZone class. Here I have defined the class TimeZone demo. Here I have created TimeZone object. Then I am calling getID method of TimeZone object. It returns TimeZone ID. Then I am calling getDSTSavings method of TimeZone object. It returns amount of saving time in milliseconds. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.